Hello everybody. Today this is the fourth video of Texas Gets Ungrounded series. Sorry if I messed up. We forgot to pause the video and we accidentally blocked the video a little bit. So let's start. Oh, my twin is so cute. That's nice of you. Can't believe you thought to call her those two words. That's not nice of her. Yes, I already know. Why was your new twin meowing? Because she's a baby kitten. A baby kitten? What's a baby kitten? It's when they start at 0 years old, right, Mom? Yeah, just like any human, when you start at 0, you are a baby, but when you're 26 or 36, you're adult. Meow, 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 meow. Your kitten, your baby kitten, your baby twin is meowing. I know. She's so adorable. Oh, have a meeting. Texas, please take care of her. Okay. So just gonna let you lay on your crib. Come on. Wait for me, Mom. And Texas, please take care of her. New Mexico and Arizona, please secure the house and do not let anyone steal her new twin, okay? Okay, got it. You got it. Thanks. Now let's go to our meeting. Okay, Mom. Okay, I will walk. I will protect this house. Me too. While Texas take care of their new twin, of Kitten's new twin. Meow, meow, meow. Texas, I think she's hungry. What does she need? Milk? Oh, I'll go get it. Here you go. Meow. Oh, look! Texas is feeding her. I think she said, that's so nice of him. Yeah. Feel alone? Yes. How long? How long is the meeting gonna last for? For about 30 minutes. Oh, that's it? Yes. Okay, bye. Did you call her? Yes. Yeah. I think the baby kitten likes you, Texas. Meow, 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 meow. Oh, she's full. Meow, meow, meow. She's still meowing because she's still a baby kitten. Yeah, I know. They're still get secure in the house so that no one can break in. I gotta let you know that the severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect for Pawtucket County, so be on the lookout for tornadoes. Oh, I have it on my phone. Oh, okay. Wait, oh no, it's getting cloudy. Oh my goodness, Texas. Please comfort her. Okay, okay, okay. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for all Pawtucket County. No tornadoes. Oh, that was close. It's gonna last for 30 minutes, just like the meeting. That's it? Yeah. Beep, beep, beep. That's not so bad. 30 minutes later, after the thunderstorm and Vila's meeting. Meow, meow, meow. Texas, she's happy now. You made her happy. What does this mean? Vila's gonna unground you. We're coming back. We're back. How's my twin doing? Vi- and Viola's kitten, you won't believe what Texas did. She's happy now because she took care of her and comforted her when the thunderstorm came by. Oh my goodness, Texas. Thank you for taking care of my twin. You know what this means? What? You're now ungrounded forever, even longer. Yay, I'm now ungrounded once again. Good job, Texas. You made her happy now. Yeah. I know. We're gonna let Texas, New Mexico, and Arizona stay in our house. Yeah. Wait, you want them to stay? Yeah. Oh my goodness, that's a great idea. Mom, why she didn't have say her first word yet? Not until later. Wait, I heard babies say their first word when they're older. I mean, no, younger. Yeah, but tomorrow we're gonna make an ungrounded video of your twin. She's gonna say her first word. Tomorrow? Yeah, that sounds a great idea. Bye, 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 bye. This is Texas's fourth time being ungrounded. See you all in the fifth episode. Bye, 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 bye. Meow. Oh, that's so adorable. Will my twin sit by? Yeah, but she cannot talk yet until she's one. One? Yeah, but I'm gonna teach her how to walk and run. Once she's 5, she'll be able to play with you guys. Yeah, let me move you guys. Oh my god, my hand is shaking. Bye, 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 bye. You better hurry before the camera falls out. Bye, 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 bye. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Oh, she's sleeping. Texas, one more thing. Can you put her to in her crib again? Of course I can. Later, Texas put his new twin into her crib. Thank you, Texas. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Aw, she's sleeping and meowing at the same time. Okay, let's end it now. Bye, 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 bye. See you guys on the fifth episode of Texas Gets Ungrounded series. And we'll see you very soon. See you on the fifth episode. Bye, 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 bye. Just moving for a little bit. The end of Texas Gets Ungrounded series. It's episode 4. Ep- 4. Episode 5 coming very soon. On January, maybe on February. More grounded videos of text coming very soon on February as well. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, and May, November, and December, and the last video in 2023. And 2024 is coming very soon. See you later, guys. Bye. 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 Once again, the end of episode 4. Episode 5 coming very soon. Bye. Love you all. I'm starting to get tired. That was a hard work. Yeah, I'll go to bed. Yes, it's midnight. Later, at bed. Good night, everybody. Good night, my new twin. Good night, my mom. Good night, Arizona. Texas, New Mexico, and Arizona. Good night, you all. Bye. Love you all. Once again, the end.